Today's Pro Talk is about different types of renovation loans. In the previous video, we mentioned all about renovation loans, the benefits of it. And today we're going to explore how many types of renovation loan there are. And here with me is Jody from Certainty Loan Homes, and she's going to explain that.
Yes, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Good, good. Well, there are different types of renovation loans that people can apply for, and depending on the type of work that you're doing to the house and what you want to add, the types of loans are the FHA loan, which most people are familiar with, that allows you to do structural changes, repairs, roof repairs, foundation. You can really do a lot with the FHA 203K loan. There's also the conventional loan, renovation loan, which will allow you to do some luxury items that FHA loans will not allow. At the conventional, you can add a swimming pool, you can add an outdoor kitchen, it'll pay for landscaping if you need to have the house landscaped. So those are some of the differences in the loans. Also, the amount of down payment that you put, the FHA will allow you to put 3.5% down, and the conventional 5% down minimum. So just depending on what you need to have done, you want to make sure that the house appraises for the work that you're having done, and don't improve the house, so that the house will appraise and you'll still be able to be in the ballpark of that neighborhood.
Of course, we always caution our sellers, if you are going to, if you're going to do any improvements in the house without, any renovation loan, for example, do not over improve. Well, same thing is with a renovation loan. If you ever acquire that, make sure you stay within the limit and confirms with the neighborhood. Well, great.
Yes.
That's a very nice product. Well, thank you for watching, guys. As I always mention, we always mention our videos, we are all about relevant contents. We provide information, and if we don't have the answer, we connect you with pros such as Jody here. Have a wonderful day. Look forward to next video.